I think the birds are finally learning their boundaries of where the rope can go. 250 feet that way towards the pond. Y'all got all that range, but y'all want to hang out right here all day, huh? Watch out. Don't hit me. No! Here, me in my knee. Stop. We don't do that. We don't jump. Run around. I'm just gonna leave y'all be. Y'all do what y'all do. Y'all just don't do me. Alright? Do what you do, but don't do me. You heard me? We got to understand it. That got thorns in it. That has thorns in it. That thing has hella thorns in it. So don't run into the thorny stuff. And life will be just fine. Here at the MSU Bully Farms, where we breed happiness. Look at the moon, man. We got a lazy moon out here today. What the heck's a lazy moon got going on? What the heck's the skim trailers are doing? They up early this morning doing China's work. Globalistic, environmentalist. Look at that crap. Oh, what's got over here? Yeah, you get you some of that good stuff off the gridiron. Hey! Hey! No! No! He ain't choking you, you're choking yourself! Sucker! What we got going on? Hey! No! 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 God damn it! No! No! Let me put these guys up. I can't get nothing done.